How I can replace and add power steering oil to BMW E-series cars, E90 and similar cars. And here is really this power steering fluid, and we need to now, and we want to replace fluid, and first step is that we have to take this fluid away. And best way is that we open these bolts and then we drain out this fluid in below canisters. Install plastic canisters in below of engine area and remove below plastic plates that this fluid can drain out in these canisters. In this power steering canister there are two 10mm bolts in here, and I open firstly these bolts. Okay, and now I open these bolts, two 10mm bolts, and then there are interesting plates. Okay, and there is really interesting plates. Firstly, two plates in here, and then inside in these things there are those steel. There are steel these. Now one drops and second drops. I collect this, and now this oil canister is free. Okay, and there is really inside in here there is this steel, this tube what keeps that in position. Remember to take these away because they can drop away. Okay, and two of those, and then we open this canister cap hat. I install this part here, good, and then we look this area. And next I open this cap hat. There is oil. And I install that in here. And now we can see in here inside that there is oil, and we really take this canister in here. And then we have in below of this engine is another canister, and then we only drain these things. I take a little bit better view. Now we have very nice view. Now I take this only in here and then only in down nicely. And now we drain out all power steering fluid in this upper main canister, power steering canister. Okay, and last step, when we have really drained out this oil amount, we have to fill this our canister full of this new transmission fluid. And what is good transmission fluid? There is really good basic rules that you can, if you like to be like real BMW professional, you go to visit in BMW dealership center and you purchase just original this transmission fluid, and it could be just like this one. It is like, but there is label that it is BMW's labels, and it might be just similar. It is automatic transmission fluid and made by Castrol in UK, England brand. And here I have this similar bottle, but there is no this BMW's logo, but this is Castrol product, and it have to be really automatic transmission fluid. Do not install in this power steering bottle any engine oil, because this fluid have to be like in here, automatic transmission fluid. And if you can get these top level automatic transmission fluids, then the better, like this Dexron 6 Mercon LV. And this is really high quality oil. I can say that this Dexron 6 level transmission fluid, this is top stuff. And that kind of bottle, it cost about, I estimate that 10 to 20 US dollars per 1/4 or liter. Okay, and then we add really this fluid in this canister. Okay, and next step is that I need to add this automatic transmission fluid, and we open this cap hat that way. And good rule is that we add in here same amount what we take away, it is good, or then we add this almost totally full. And this is good rule. And after that we check that okay, it is full. And next step is that we have to start engine and keeps this cap hat like in little bit loosen in here, and couple of minutes in idle speed, and we can rotate same time in our steering wheel. And then the last thing, we have to tighten this cap hat in that way. And now this service is ready. Power steering fluid replace. Thank you.